Hi, good morning. This is John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Richard. Richard has been trading with us from the 31st of May 2021 up until the date of review 11th of October 2021. Richard has an absolute gain of 10.15% and he's going on to manage 30,000 US dollars. As you can see, he's made his first 10% and you can see the profit withdrawal $1,522.13. So let's look at what Richard's been doing over the last few months of him trading from May, June, July, August, September. Let's go. Um, Looking at the monthly analytics, as we can see, May he didn't trade. June minus 1.44%, July 0.77%, August 2.22%, September just by minus 0.3%, and October 8.82% at present and still growing. We can see he's in a current position now on the pound yen as a buy trade, and he's about $7.87 in profit. So he's had a total of 60 trades, and if you look at the profitability factor, he's this is very interesting. He's won 29 out of 60 trades, which represents 48%, and he's lost 31 out of 60, which represents 52%. So as I always say on my reviews, you can be right or wrong in this business and always make profit. And this is a typical example. So the reason for this is because you take low risk and high reward trades. So for every trade you lose, the other trade will cover the deficit. And it's just about discipline and consistency to get to your goal. So let's see what Richard has traded over the period of time. Richard has traded just four pairs, mainly pound pairs and a US dollar CAD pair. The pound Swiss franc, you can see he's not really been successful trading this. He's lost about 67% in total and won about 33%. But his most successful trade is a pound yen, where he's made a staggering 579 pips. Let's round it up to 580 with $2,526.16. So I always like to recommend, stick to four pairs at least. But from looking at your summary of trades, your best pair is a pound yen. So I would definitely recommend you stick to this pair. But I also challenge you for two things. One, try and find another pair. So you have two pairs you can trade. So try and find another pair to give yourself a balance. And also as well, going back to your summary of your trades, let's look at your statistics. Let's try and get your win rate up by 10%, which brings you to 58%. And let's try and drop your loss rate to 42%. So let's try and get a deviation of plus 10% to the upside and minus 10% to the downside. This is all possible. How is this possible? I'll give you a few tips. One, having a psychological advantage. Go on the AudaCity community app. You can follow me myself and other admins on the app with a green badge. We share educational content and things and tips to help you to be successful, to contribute to your psychological mindset. I also recommend books, and as of late of the last 2 weeks, I've put a lot of content on discipline. So discipline and consistency is what's going to get you on this journey to get to level 6, which is 500,000 US dollars. Also, you network with like-minded individuals to give you an advantage as well, to share ideas and more or less reinforce the discipline and psychological advantage. And at the end of the day, your success will always give you more confidence. So congratulations on getting your 10%. This is a good account and definitely there's always room for improvement. So finally, let's just have a look at some of the trades you've taken. And one thing I like about what I see is you use a stop loss and take profit, which shows discipline. So this just reiterates the point I made. You can be right or wrong and still make profit, but you need to be disciplined and consistent in your ways. And as we can see, your last few trades, and I know this trade you took here on the 15th of the 10th because I was in this trade as well, where the yen pairs flew off. So I got that move as well, and you got the 211 and you got the 160. So these were good moves. I got this over 500 pips. So these are good gains, and definitely be very sharp, be very diligent, and more importantly, have a trading plan. Your drawdown is even very good as well, just at 6.67%. So even though you've lost more than you won, you still maintained your drawdown 6.67%. So well done and congratulations. And I look forward to reviewing your account at 60,000 US dollars.